Here I am at Drumbo Park. I am going to show you a video on Big Al's third attempt to make some money from car booting. Let's have a look, see how it went. So today, again, I think it's 7:45 in the morning. I had to travel from 6 o'clock this morning to get down here. Guess what I've done? Take a look at that. I've decided no longer to do a car boot. I've decided to do a van boot. And yeah, last week was a problem, or the last time I was here, I was robbed. I lost a big box of lighters, which was about £1,000 worth of stock. They took the entire box from me, and they stole a couple of other bits and pieces. So I was on my own, so I've got help this week, and it's needed. What I'm going to do this week is I'm going to record this video, and I'm going to edit it out if I see any faces, that sort of stuff. But I want to see if I get robbed again today. I'm going to keep an eye close on the stock this time and be absolutely alert that there are people coming in and they're looking to rob us blind of our stock, which is not good for anyone that's trying to make a bit of bob, trying to make a bit of money, guys, and they're victims of robbery. So, because that's what it is, it's actually theft. So anyway, got the big van, that's me sorted. I'm going to see how it runs. The air up's quite cool, the different flavors. You drink water and it gives you a smell rather than a taste. It's brilliant. What'd you get? What do you pay? Well done, you. Nightmare. You know we have a big paddle wipe set. I don't know if they're any good to you. Right, big man. Good talking to you, sir. So we've all these cosmetics are starting to come in now. But they're all £2. Everything there is £2. Nothing you want. You just do. Oh, here we go. There you go. Yeah, £1.50. Well, oh, yes, I am right now. Do it, YouTube. You're alright, not as quick as it was with the last one. Everything's a pan. But you can always give me a, remember, you can always negotiate. You know them essential oils, you know what they were. Sorry. But it was hard now, so it was a hard journey. Yeah, it was, so that there, you know, so see when it comes to that, I'm strict. Okay. And your YouTube username is that as well? Okay. Do you know? Well, comment now. Hi, Tiernan. Good luck, sir. It's here. So I am now, I would say, it's an hour and a half in. It's got really quiet. A lot of people kind of here. A lot of fans from the YouTube channel. So whoever came and said hello to me, thank you very much for coming and saying hello to me personally. It was good to see you all. Sales are not so hot. Today's not a good day. Great day for the weather, and I decided to expand my business by putting that van in. But it was a worthless task, to be honest with you, because I think my sales are a hell of a lot less. Saying that, I'm actually at the back of I'm at the back, so I'll show you where I am. So that's the front, and I'm at the back. So it's not so hot, but you know, it's sent to try us. Right, guys, so this is the biggest one. Say hello, Cookie. Say hello, Cooks. Say hello, baby. So this is the biggest one I've ever done. Now I have 3 tables. This is all the stock that I'm selling. Now I doubled my options, and sadly the issue quite simply is I think I done half the sales. Why? Because there was a ton of sellers, loads of sellers, tons of sellers. But what I found was there wasn't enough buyers. For the amount of sellers we had, we probably only had 3 per seller. Or yeah, per seller, 3 buyers per seller. So the ratio wasn't so good. Now, if I made a couple £100, it is what it is. It's still enough to pay for what we've done today. I had a helper today. I had to get a helper in to make sure it's done. So I'm going to start packing up now, and I'll give you a balance of what I've achieved today in Drumbo Park. I think that's what they call this, Drumbo Park in Lisburn. So I'm just simply packing away here, getting all my bits and pieces back in. Oh, don't want to wreck too much stock. My helper's away to the loo. Where's the staff when you need them? So I'm using these cages to stack my stock quickly, so it's a quick offload and onload. And so far so good. It's pretty good now. Probably my first £1,500 that I've made, maybe £1,200 I'd say, all said and done, which isn't bad for 3 times here in the Grey House Stadium in Lisburn. So if you want to come and see me, you're more than welcome. You can pop down every Saturday. I may not be here next Saturday, depends on whether the weather is. I'm a weather dependent market trader. And remember guys, I didn't do market trading before. This is all new to me. And I thoroughly enjoy it. I love the idea of trading, making a bit of money. There's nothing as good as it. And going home and getting a nice wee Ulster fry and a bit of, how would you say, counting the cash. So I think the cash that I've made so far for 3 weeks work isn't around £1,200. I'm not sure what it is today, so I'll have a tally of my 3rd week of trading out of a car boot sale. I might do tomorrow. I might go up to a place called Dundrum. If anyone know where that is, I think it's up by near Newcastle. Dundrum are offering car boot sales as well. Gotta pack this separately. So I'm just packing my little green boxes full of stock so that I can easily unpack it again. Who wants a set of handcuffs there? Set of handcuffs. A squishy dog, £1. Military cooker, £2. Humane mice killer catcher, £2. Some picture frames. A bread basket. Right guys, that is me. That's me all packed up, ready to go. Oh, hold on, let me just get the camera straight. So that's me all packed up, ready to go. Everyone else is gone. That's not good. I'm on my own because I had to do a bit of packing. But anyway, got it packed up, put in there. It's a big ask to be doing a big van full of stock. I might just go back to the Range Rover. But I'm now gonna trundle on back to my property, and I am going to count the money and see how much I got today. Right, so I have just got back to the depot, parked up the van, and I'm doing a count. Cookie, come on, go say hello to the YouTubers. Come here, you. Ow. Yeah, fuss. So, Cookie and I, helper, say hello to the YouTubers. Hello. So Cookie and I have finished, and we got rid of the helper. Thank you very much for helping. And we had a lot of visitors today from the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for coming and saying hello. I appreciate you coming and saying hello to me. It was lovely to meet you. I hope that with some of you, I can help you further with your business and make your business grow. But who wants to know how much I made today? Even though I've had a lot of struggles this week with the eBay online thing, I've done not too bad for a couple of hours work. Again, sold a bit of stock. I bought a couple of tables, 2 more tables, and I'm now using the van, not the Range Rover. So I've doubled my stock and I've doubled my size of stand. So I paid 15 quid for the van. Did I get any sales out of it? The gross sales was £275 for a couple of hours. Minus the cost of my stock and minus the cost of this vehicle, let's say 20 quid for fuel and entrance fee, and the cost of the stock, probably about 100 quid. So for a couple of hours work, it was simply 150, 160 pounds. I'm happy with that still. Quiet day. And the reason why it was a quiet day is because there was so many sellers and not enough buyers. And the good day brings out the sellers, not the buyers. A lot of people were saying they only made a couple of quid. I done all right for what I was selling. So here it is. Now you know, if you want to make a bit of money, head yourself down to Drumbo Greyhound Stadium on a Saturday or a Wednesday, and you'll be able to make a bit more money. And if you're lucky enough, I say lucky, you can come and say hello to Big Al and Cookie. Big Al and Cooks. Isn't that right, Bubba? Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to always like and subscribe.